Good evening, YouTube. This is the 22nd yet again. I'm over here at the lake near my place trying to get some dinner. I have a vomit and kicked up. Beautiful view though. Part of the terrible sound. Anyways, I was looking down and came across some peppermint. Alright, here's some peppermint I found out while fishing. Peppermint's got a square stem, leaves in whorls, branches also, and alternating whorls. The leaf is a serrated spearhead shape. You break it a little bit and smell. It smells like a spicy mint. And also, the blooms come in a bloom spike. Each individual bloom, if I get this to focus, is bell-shaped. Also, alternating whorls. Branches just a little bit, not too much. I want to show you how to propagate this. First, you break off the lower leaves to a bit. Don't want too many, you break off the blooms. You stick it in a glass full of water. Break off the lower ends. Break off the flowers. Put it in the water. Trying to halt it from trying to grow, trying to seed so it can focus on producing roots. Doesn't take much. Don't really need any root toner. But in a pinch, one could use aspirin. It's the same thing as willow water, essentially. It's salicylic acid. It stimulates a lot of root growth. Mint is also good for skin balms. Remedies such as, well, for your colds. Anything respiratory based would help out with. Also not medical professional, so please do your research, do your own due diligence. I am not responsible. Don't listen to some random dude on the internet. Since it's mostly a leaf, it usually only uses nitrogen, a little bit of calcium, phosphorus, the major NPK, nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus. Uses calcium a little bit, not too much to really worry about there. About like that will produce more than you will need. Grind it up, make chutney, make tea,